Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs without vinegar. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on very fresh eggs, which are key for a compact shape. Next, fill a deep pot with about 3 inches of water. Bring this water to a gentle simmer, ensuring it's not a rolling boil. This controlled heat is crucial for perfectly cooked eggs. Now, carefully crack each egg into its own small bowl or ramekin. This step helps maintain the egg structure when it enters the water. Double-check that your water is at a gentle simmer, just below boiling, with tiny bubbles forming. You can also add a small amount of salt to the water, which can slightly help with coagulation. It's time to cook. Gently slide each egg from its bowl into the simmering water. Avoid dropping them from a height. Cook the eggs for 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk. If you prefer a firmer yolk, cook for an additional minute. Once done, carefully remove each egg with a slotted spoon, allowing any excess water to drain. Your delicious poached eggs are ready. Serve them immediately on your favorite toast, with avocado or atop some fresh greens. Finish with a sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. They're perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.